All right, so we're going to start this quick little screencast here talking about Trajecsys, which is our clinical record keeping system for our radiography program. So to load it up, basically you're going to type trajecsys.com just as it's shown in the address bar here, and it'll take you to this web page. Once you're on this web page, you want to hit the login button, which is located in the top right corner. So if you follow the mouse, top right. And once you hit login, it'll take you to the login page. So you're going to input your username and password in both of these sections here. Now, once you've inputted your username and password, you're going to hit login, and it'll take you to this screen. Okay. So depending on the clinical site you're at, you want to select the clinical site that you're going to be at for that day. So let's just choose Baylor St. Luke's Medical Center. Now what you'll notice, it says clock in, and then it'll tell you the time. So really, we want you to clock in to Trajecsys before the time that you're supposed to be there, or at the time you're supposed to be there. So 7:30 is the time you're supposed to be there, so you want to either log in at 7:30 or slightly before. Once you've selected your site, you're just going to hit clock in. Now once you hit clock in, it'll actually automatically log you out, just in case there's several other students waiting behind you that are trying to log in. And that's it. Quick and easy to log into Trajecsys and clock your clinical time. The student can also use the same process to log out. So when you are logging in again, now it should say clock out. And what you'll do is you'll just hit the clock out button and it'll clock you out as well. Thanks.